Have you ever wondered why thumbnails are so important in video visibility? Well, let's dive into it. Thumbnails act as the cover of your video, the first impression that viewers get. They are the small, clickable images that give a quick preview of what your video is all about. They are your video's billboard, its advertisement, and they play an essential role in attracting viewer attention. In the vast ocean of online content, a compelling thumbnail can make your video stand out. It's the hook that draws viewers in, enticing them to click and watch your video. It's not just about having an aesthetically pleasing image, but also about making sure it's relevant to your video content. An attractive, relevant thumbnail can pique viewers' curiosity, coaxing them into clicking on your video. But how do we measure the effectiveness of a thumbnail? That's where the concept of click-through rates, or CTR, comes into play. CTR is the ratio of users who click on a specific link to the number of total users who view a page, email, or advertisement. In the case of video content, it's the percentage of viewers who click on your video after seeing your thumbnail. A well-designed thumbnail can significantly boost your video's CTR. The higher the CTR, the more viewers you get, leading to more visibility and engagement. Conversely, a poorly designed thumbnail can result in a low CTR, causing your video to get lost in the crowd, regardless of how great your content might be. This highlights the need for appealing and relevant thumbnails. A good thumbnail should not only be visually appealing, but it should also accurately represent your video content. It should trigger curiosity, compelling viewers to click and watch your video. It should be a visual summary of your video, a sneak peek that gives viewers a taste of what they can expect. As you can see, a well-designed thumbnail can make or break your video's visibility and click-through rate. In the following scenes, we will delve deeper into this topic, exploring successful thumbnail examples, introducing you to AI tools for crafting perfect thumbnails, and sharing strategies for optimizing your CTR. So stay tuned! Now, let's dive into some real-life examples of successful thumbnails. Our first case study takes us to a cooking channel that saw a dramatic increase in their click-through rate after a thumbnail redesign. The channel had been using simple, text-based thumbnails. However, they decided to switch to more visually appealing thumbnails, featuring high-quality images of the finished dishes. The result? Their click-through rate soared by 50%. The new thumbnails not only appealed to the viewer's appetite, but also gave a clear indication of what the video would deliver, hence resonating deeply with their audience. Next, let's consider a tech review channel that witnessed a significant boost in their views. Initially, they used generic images of the products for their thumbnails. However, they decided to incorporate a bit of mystery by only revealing a part of the product in the thumbnail, accompanied by a catchy phrase. This generated curiosity among viewers who were then compelled to click on the video to find out more. The result was a 40% increase in their click-through rate. Our final example is a travel vlogging channel. They used to have thumbnails that featured beautiful landscapes but saw only a moderate success. They decided to shift their strategy and included images of the vlogger experiencing the journey in their thumbnails. This human element created a connection with the viewers and gave a more personal touch to the videos. The thumbnails resonated with their target audience and helped to increase the video's visibility. The channel saw a 35% increase in their click-through rate following this change. In all these case studies, notice how each thumbnail was designed with the target audience in mind. They incorporated elements that would appeal to their viewers, be it mouth-watering images of food, the allure of a mystery, or the connection of a shared experience. The design of your thumbnail should not only be visually appealing but also representative of your video content. It should strike a chord with your target audience and compel them to click on your video. These examples clearly show how effective thumbnails can significantly increase your video's click-through rate. How can AI tools aid in crafting the perfect thumbnails, you ask? Well, let's dive right in and discover the wonders of AI in thumbnail creation. Imagine having an army of designers at your fingertips, ready to whip up a captivating thumbnail at a moment's notice. This is what AI design tools offer. They're like your personal design concierge, capable of creating eye-catching thumbnails that resonate with your viewers. Now let's talk about some of the most popular AI tools out there. First up, we have Canva. This tool is a game changer, offering a plethora of templates for every conceivable video niche. It lets you customize your thumbnails to the tiniest detail, ensuring that your creation truly reflects your content. Next, we have Adobe Spark. This tool takes customization to a whole new level. You can tweak every aspect of your thumbnail, from colors and fonts to images and layout. Plus, Adobe Spark's AI capabilities analyze your design choices and suggest improvements, optimizing your thumbnails to perfection. And last, but certainly not least, we have PicMaker. This tool is a powerhouse of AI-driven design, providing not just templates and customization options but also analytics. Yes, you heard that right, analytics. PicMaker's AI analyzes your thumbnail's performance and offers actionable insights to further enhance their appeal. But how do these tools streamline the design process, you might wonder? Well, by automating the tedious parts of design, these AI tools free up your time for more creative tasks. Plus, they're constantly learning and improving, ensuring that your thumbnails stay fresh and relevant. And let's not forget about the visual appeal. With AI tools, you can create thumbnails that are not just pretty, but also effective. They help you strike that delicate balance between aesthetics and functionality, ensuring that your thumbnails attract clicks while accurately representing your content. So, there you have it. With these AI tools at your disposal, you're well equipped to create visually appealing and effective thumbnails. Now go forth and conquer the world of video content with your stunning thumbnails. So, how do we optimize our click-through rate using these AI insights? Well, let's dive right in. Boosting click-through rates is a game of strategy, and it starts with A/B testing. This involves creating two different thumbnails for the same video and analyzing which one performs better. AI tools can help you automate this process, providing real-time insights into which thumbnail is driving more clicks. But remember, A/B testing isn't a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process of trial and error, refinement, and improvement. Next, let's talk about consistency. Consistency in branding and messaging is crucial to building brand recognition. When viewers scroll through their feed, they should instantly recognize your content, so make sure your thumbnails have a consistent design, color scheme, and style that aligns with your brand. AI tools can help ensure this consistency, suggesting designs and elements that align with your branding. But it's not just about being consistent, it's also about being relevant. Your thumbnail should accurately represent the content of your video. Misleading thumbnails may get you clicks, but they won't get you loyal viewers. So, use AI insights to understand what resonates with your audience and create thumbnails that accurately reflect your content. Now, let's talk data. In the world of thumbnail design, data is your best friend. AI tools can provide valuable metrics on how your thumbnails are performing, giving you insights into what works and what doesn't. Use this data to continuously refine your thumbnails and optimize your click-through rate. Remember, thumbnail design isn't a set-it-and-forget-it process. It requires continuous analysis and refinement. Lastly, don't forget about the power of intrigue. A compelling, curiosity-evoking thumbnail can significantly boost your click-through rate. Use AI insights to understand what captivates your audience and incorporate these elements into your thumbnail design. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly enhance your video's click-through rate. So don't wait. Start optimizing your thumbnails today and watch your click-through rate soar. Now that we've covered the importance of thumbnails and how to optimize them, it's your turn to put these insights into practice. It's time to take action. It's time to make a difference in your content creation journey. Remember, the magic happens outside your comfort zone, and in this case, the magic happens when you start to apply these insights to craft compelling thumbnails. Imagine the potential impact on your video's visibility. Think of the click-through rates that could skyrocket, all because you decided to invest time and energy into crafting the perfect thumbnail. This isn't just about making your videos look good, it's about making them visible, making them clickable, and ultimately, making them watchable. Don't underestimate the power of a well-designed thumbnail. It's the first impression viewers get of your video. And as we all know, first impressions matter. They have the power to draw viewers in and keep them engaged. And with the help of AI tools, this task becomes not just achievable, but also enjoyable. So start exploring, dive into Canva, Adobe Spark, or PicMaker, experiment with different templates, play around with customization options, dive into the analytics. Use the power of AI to guide you, to inspire you, to help you create thumbnails that are not just visually appealing, but captivating. Keep in mind the key elements of a successful thumbnail: visual appeal, relevance, and clarity. Make sure your thumbnails resonate with your audience, that they align with your brand, and most importantly, that they tell a story. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuous improvement, about learning, about growing. Analyze your data, refine your thumbnails, and watch as your click-through rates improve. The power to transform your video's performance is in your hands. It's in the decisions you make, the actions you take, and the thumbnails you create. So why wait? The time to act is now. Don't wait any longer. Start crafting your perfect thumbnails today and watch your videos soar to new heights.